Hi everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on creating a Bitcoin tracker using the ESP8266 MCU and MAX7219 LED display. In this video, we will be going through these steps to build a simple but effective Bitcoin price tracker that displays the current Bitcoin price on a MAX7219 LED display. With this DIY Bitcoin price tracker, you can keep track of the current BTC/USD value anytime, anywhere. We will be using free API of CoinLore, which offers over 9,486 coins and over 400 exchanges, and doesn't require API keys or impose speed limits, although it is recommended to make one request per second. Once the ESP8266 fetches the BTC price, it can store this information in its memory and display it on the LED matrix. The first step is to gather all the necessary materials you will need. ESP8266 node MCU, MAX7219 LED display, breadboard, jumper wires. The MAX7219 LED display is a powerful display driver that can control up to 64 LEDs. To wire up the display to the ESP8266 node MCU, we will need to connect the following pins: VCC to 3.3 volt, GND to GND, DIN to D7, CS to D6, CLK to D5. Make sure that all connections are secure and in the right place. To make the connections permanent, we recommend ordering a custom PCB from PCBWay.com. PCBWay.com is a leading manufacturer of high-quality PCBs and offers a wide range of services, including PCB fabrication, assembly, and component sourcing. Don't forget to check the link provided in the description for a special discount on your first order. From here, you can select a quick order PCB, then upload the PCB Gerber file. Choose your country and shipping method to order a custom PCB for your projects. Setting up the Arduino IDE. To program the ESP8266 node MCU, we need to download and install the Arduino IDE. Once installed, we need to configure it to work with the ESP8266 node MCU. To do this, we need to add the ESP8266 board manager to the Arduino IDE. To add the ESP8266 board manager, open the Arduino IDE and go to File Preferences. In the Preferences window, enter the following URL in the Additional Boards Manager URLs field. Click OK to save these changes. Now go to Tools, Board, Boards Manager, search for ESP8266 and click on Install. Once installed, select the ESP8266 node MCU board from the Tools board menu. Installing the required libraries. We will be using 3 libraries in this project: Arduino JSON, Adafruit_GFX, and MAX7219 panel. To install these libraries, go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Libraries. Search for Arduino JSON and click on Install for installing libraries. Similarly, do the same for Adafruit_GFX and MAX7219 panel libraries. Program source code. We are now ready to write the code for the Bitcoin tracker. Open a new sketch in the Arduino IDE and paste the following code from our website. You need to change Wi-Fi SSID and password from here. The tracker will automatically connect to your network and fetch Bitcoin price data from the internet. I am using the free APIs of CoinLore. CoinLore provides a free API for cryptocurrencies that doesn't require API keys and is publicly available. The request looks like api.coinlore.net/api/ticker/id equals to 90 for BTC, where ID is the digital currency number. You can find out the list of available coins on api.coinlore.net. 90 Bitcoin, 80 Ethereum, 2 Dogecoin, 1 Litecoin. Full list can be found here at api.coinlore.net. The variable mode equals to 3 is responsible for the mode of displaying the value of the cryptocurrency on the matrix. The value weight equals to 100 allows you to adjust the speed of text movement in the scroll mode. The smaller the value, the faster the text will move across the matrix. The code is well commented. If you need to make other settings, it's not difficult to figure it out. Now, upload the code to your ESP8266 node MCU board by selecting correct COM port from the Tools menu. Once the code is uploaded, the LED matrix display should start showing the Bitcoin price in real time. To test the Bitcoin tracker, you can open a web browser and visit any website that provides real-time Bitcoin prices. The LED matrix display should update the price accordingly. That's it. You have successfully created a Bitcoin tracker using ESP8266 node MCU and MAX7219 LED display. This project can be expanded further by adding features such as price alerts, historical data analysis, and more. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below.